You've found what you've been looking for in this lovely property. This property is represented by the Ryan Davidson team. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom in this spacious 2,740 square foot property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact the Ryan Davidson team at 303-859-3526. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.